A little bit about Camp Jamoki, the event happening here today.
Well, this is a camp that has been initiated for children who suffer from sickle cell anemia. And the event really is to raise money. It's a walkathon, and many people have come out. It started a few years ago, and it's grown every year since. People are very supportive of it because they're becoming more aware of the numbers of children and adults that this illness affects.
We are Black Art Television. We're here to cover the events happening in the city from Black perspective, right? What kind of advice can you give some of the children here today as far as like in pursuing their goals?
Well, I think they have to be determined. They have to be clear and focused. They certainly have to make sure that they're prepared for whatever field they intend to move into, and have their knowledge base up where it should be. And then, of course, you have to do your research, be expansive about it, and make sure that you're not looking at it from a very narrow point of view. I think that fields are opening up and people are demonstrating more and more abilities, and you find more of us in many more places. And my expectations are that that will continue to grow.
Okay, great. So thanks a lot for coming on today.
Thank you.
I was fortunate that we meet you. Zanata Kande for Black Art Television. That's great, you know?
Thank you.
Thank you for a moment.